What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2022 Chevy Traverse started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying no remote detected. So what we need to do is take our key fob, and we need to place the key fob in what your owner's manual refers to as the transmitter pocket. And that's going to be located in the center console. So what we need to do is open our center console, pull this tray out. Then in the very bottom of our center console, there's going to be this little liner. Go ahead and pull that out. And then we can see this cutout right here. And if you notice, it's the exact same size as that key. So place your key down in the transmitter pocket like that. And now we should be able to start the vehicle as normal. So brake, stop start button. And once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.